How to check Gmail password on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Passwords application on your phone. The Passwords app is a dedicated tool for managing passwords, passkeys, and verification codes. It simplifies password management by storing, organizing, and allowing easy access to credentials across all Apple devices with iCloud keychain enabled. As you can see, you require Face ID or passcode to open this app. Once you open the app, you will be brought to this page. Here, tap on All as shown. Over here, you can view all your saved passwords on iPhone. Scroll down and tap on the Gmail account you're looking for. You can now view the account password and other details over here. Following these steps, you can easily check Gmail password on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.